So in the meantime, I created some more categories for the products, and I also added a couple of products, and I wanted to show you. So I added two categories, two new ones, teddy bear onesies and glowing teddy bears, and I found these on AliExpress. That's where I got the pictures, and I put them at the products right here. I made categories out of them. Also made a little description that's fitting for that category. And when we click on all products, you can see all products right here. And you can see that I added the teddy bear onesie. I set the price at $75. Also put it on sale for $54.95. And there's this glowing teddy bear, which I see I have to add it for the price because I duplicated the onesie, but it's not going to be $75. Otherwise people wouldn't buy it. I will set this price at $35. It's not on sale for now, and I will click on update, and we can go to the website. I will do a refresh because I just changed the price for the glowing teddy bear. And first of all, you see the products right here we have in our store, and you can get there by clicking on this link. You will get to our shop right here. You will see the products that are listed, in this case for starting store. I would advise to at least place 20 products in your store. These are 4 categories. The categories are glowing teddy bears, life-size teddy bears, small teddy bears, and teddy bear onesies. And I'm going to show you what I've created as products. Let's look at the glowing teddy bear first, because it's actually pretty neat. And you can see it's you can see in the picture it's really nice glowing teddy bear. And when we click on it, it will enlarge. We will click on the next picture. We will see one happy person here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bears that are all glowing. And here we see a person with the same teddy bears when they're not glowing. So that's how this looks like. We can go back to the shop, and we click the teddy bear onesie. Now you can see I put the price at $75 and it's on sale right now for $54.95. And again, I can click on the image to enlarge it, right here, and then click on the right to see the other pictures in the gallery. And you can see these are the 2 products that I've added to the store. Now there's something new here. What you can see, this is a PayPal button. Debit or credit card, and I'm going to show you what I've added to my store in the meantime, because it's a plugin. I will show you right now. And this is the plugin that I installed. It's called the WooCommerce PayPal Checkout Gateway. If you will look up that name under plugins, you will find it right there, and you can install it and activate it yourself. And what it does, when you go to settings, you will go to the WooCommerce settings, and you have to check this. Because over here this box is very important, because it says set up or link an existing PayPal account. So what you want to do when you have a business PayPal account, you will click this link. I will click it right for you as an example, and you will be redirected to PayPal. Now you have to log in here and connect your PayPal account to WooCommerce, to your store. That's what you will be doing. Once that is completed, you only have to follow the wizard. I'm not going to show you right now, otherwise I have to type in my own PayPal address, and I would like to not I would not like to share that with everyone right now. The rest of these settings are okay. The only thing that you really have to take care of here is making sure you connect your PayPal account to your WooCommerce store. The rest of this is okay. You can leave it like that. And when you go to payments, you go to the payments tab. After you set up PayPal checkout, this will be enabled. And I also enabled this option right here, the standard PayPal. I will click on manage so I can show you what you need to do to make it work. So the only thing that you need to do to make this work and get PayPal payments is fill in your email address here that you used for your business PayPal account. So for example, if we would have info@cuddlybears.com, we would enter this email right here for payments. Or for example, payments@cuddlybear.com, we would enter this email address in this box right here, and then go all the way down, save changes, and that's the only thing you have to do. Sorry, I skipped something accidentally, sorry. You also have to fill this in, but you can get this from PayPal, and by clicking this you will be redirected to a page that will help you set this all up. So basically what you need is the PayPal email where you want your payments to be, and the API username, password, and the signature. You can all find it in PayPal, and you can find it by clicking this link, which will guide you through it. And once you've set that up, you will have a working PayPal, normal standard PayPal account and a PayPal Express checkout, and you will see it like this. And that's basically the main reason to add PayPal, of course, because you want to get paid. Eventually you want to get paid, right? So I'm gonna show you another payment plugin. You can click on add new. Then you can type WooCommerce Stripe. Now this is the right plugin, WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. You can click install now. Then click on activate. Then we can go back to WooCommerce and go back to settings. Then click on the tab payments. Now you will see a lot more in this overview right here. And what you can do, you can enable these options if you have them. For example, Ideal is for European countries if they use Ideal as a payment gateway. So forth, GiroPay, Bankcontact, that's all from Belgium. So if you would be selling from Belgium, you can enable these options right here, and you can set it up with Stripe. You can also enable Alipay if you want to. Yeah, and that's that are the options for Stripe. For Stripe, you will have to sign up, and you will need a Stripe account to be able to set all these options. I mean, to enable all these options and get paid through Stripe. But basically, PayPal is already a good basic payment method. But if you want to add some more payment methods, you can use Stripe for that. So that concludes the walkthrough through the products that I added and the product categories that I added. I showed you that I installed a PayPal payment plugin, and we together we installed the Stripe payment plugin, and that's the most important thing to set up if you want to get paid, of course, because customers will pay you for the products once they order, and you will receive the payment on your PayPal or your Stripe account.